Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's jumping in my pot: lemon cream cheese bread. You may ask, what is lemon cream cheese bread? Is it a cake, or is it a bread? Or is it a dessert disguised as breakfast? It's all the above. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: pure vanilla extract, salt, baking powder, lemon, unsalted butter, granulated sugar, an egg, all-purpose flour, cream cheese. In this bowl, I have the all-purpose flour. Now we're going to add the sugar to the flour. And in this cup here, I already added the salt and the baking powder. We're going to mix this up together. And we're going to put it to the side. Now, in this bowl, we're going to add the butter, the egg, and we're going to grate some lemon in it. This gives it a more lemony flavor when you put some of the lemon peel in it. And as always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Then we're going to cut this lemon here and add the juice of the lemon to it. And we're going to add the vanilla extract. Then we're going to whisk all of these ingredients together until it comes to a smooth consistency. Now it's time to add the butter mixture and the egg mixture to the flour. We're going to mix this up together. We don't want to overmix this because it makes it very dense. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now it's time to move on to the next step with the cream cheese. We add sugar to the cream cheese in this bowl, and we mix this up. Now, I have a loaf pan here that I've greased and floured it. We're going to take the dough, put half of it in the bottom, spread half in the bottom of the pan. Now that I've finished spreading half of the mixture in the loaf pan, this is what we do. We take some cream cheese and dollop it in the pan. Now you get a knife and you make swirls in the bottom. The next thing is we put the rest of the bread mixture on top and we make swirls again on top of that. Now we add the rest of the cream cheese on top. Then we make swirls on the top with the cream cheese. Then we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for 45 to 55 minutes. The oven is set to 350 degrees. Here you have it, lemon cream cheese bread. Enjoy. This is the first time I ever made this, and this is the first time I ever ate it. So let's try a piece and see how it came out. Mmm. You can taste the velvety texture of the cream cheese, the lemon burst in your mouth. It's delicious. I would make this again. You should try it. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. And by the way, check out some of my older video down below. Bye.